What's up, you guys? It's Matt here. Now, you know I love to bring you popular plays. Plays that could potentially go from, $1 million to $10 million or 50 or 100. And honestly, it's difficult to find those plays because finding those plays, you have a lot of them that are worth like maybe less than $1 million that really don't have that level of popularity yet. But you want to kind of try and find what that popularity will be, especially when it comes to maybe like an election coin, right? Election coins, they're going to gain popularity as you get closer to the election. But some things will have more popularity throughout the whole year, will have the whole popularity throughout the whole bull market just because of their name and things that they're associated with and all of that. So I wanted to bring you what I believe is going to be a popular coin, as well as the NFT collection, and talk about this because this is probably one of the only NFT collections that I am extremely interested in, right? I feel as though I love the artwork. I love what's going on here. So I want to talk about this play. I want to talk about that. And I want to talk about what I plan on getting. Um, and when it comes to the collection and maybe even the position. So feel free to hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell for more of these videos. Also, make sure you check out some of the links that are down below. It does help out the channel. And if you guys want to follow me on Twitter, follow me on Patreon, those links are in the description. Now, don't forget about all of the links for the coin that we're going over, DBZ, in this video. The link will be down below for the website, for the Twitter, for the chart, all of that stuff that you want to see. So feel free to do the research yourself, because I think if you find an opportunity within it, if you find a potential gain within it based on your research, then it means the world to you. But if you don't and somebody else finds that and tells you about it and you buy it just because of that, it's all about that person and what they decided to tell you. So make sure you feel comfortable in the position that you're buying when you research the position. My job is to open the door. Your job is to see the stuff that's inside and maybe walk through that door. But let's go ahead and look at this position. So we're talking about DBZ, a tribute to the legend, right? This website, very, very simple, very simply put. You have buy now, you have the telegram, you have the chart, which we will go into the chart in a little bit. Introducing the Super Saiyan Ape Club. Super Saiyan Ape Club. We're the very first group making a special Dragon Ball Z fan token. And we're adding in a bunch of unique digital collectibles called NFTs, inspired by the awesome anime series. We want you to be a part of this amazing adventure as we bring Dragon Ball Z into the world of crypto. Come join our community and let's take over the crypto space together. It's going to be epic. Now, I love this artwork on all of them, right? As I was scrolling through them and looking at this, I love the artwork on them. Like, I love this one right here. I honestly would enjoy just having this NFT and being able to put that as my background or something, or my image background or something like that, right? I really enjoy these NFTs here, and I want to see the entire collection as it does come out. So Super Saiyan Ape Club, step into the Super Saiyan Ape Club NFT collection. It is like a cool mix of special digital art and the awesome Dragon Ball Z story. We've got 888 or 8,888 unique digital collectibles, each showing off a super cool Super Saiyan ape look. We're bringing back the good feelings from the Dragon Ball Z days and giving it an extra boost with the power of the NFTs. Come join us in celebrating the creator and taking a digital adventure with us. Feel the Saiyan spirit. Grab your spot in this amazing NFT collection where art meets Dragon Ball Z legacy. Now, again, you can stake your ape as well if you decide to do that. The project wallets, you'll see the detail there where you have CEXs, you have 4%, marketing 4%, treasury 4%. CEX2 will be 4%, and staking will be 4% over there. You have the different phases that are here. So first phase, Telegram, CoinMarketCap, fair launch. They've done that. Celebrity partnerships, new CEX listing. They're looking to do all this stuff to be able to create and maintain that popularity. But anyways, I wanted to tell you exactly, how this really came about, because funny enough, I was watching Goku versus Kefla. I was rewatching that because it came across my timeline for TikTok. It was a little short, and I was like, you know what? Let me go and look up the entire battle again. And I decided that I would watch that battle. So sat there for like 30 minutes, 30 something, 29 minutes or something like that. That's on YouTube. And I just watched the entire battle, and it's just amazing. That's the most disrespectful, Kamehameha that we've ever seen in my life, right? So being able to get that close and just like boom, right? It's the most disrespectful. I don't know if you know what it is, but feel free to go ahead and look that up. It's a great show, right? It's something that keeps you on the edge of your seat. But that's the thing, is it still has its popularity today. And as we look at some of that information to see what the popularity is, right? Popularity today is still number 5. Most popular TV shows online, number 5. People watch this consistently, right? And we're not just talking about like the, OG Dragon Ball Z, versus Cell versus Majin Buu. Like we're talking about Dragon Ball Z in general, right? DBZ is watched so much. So the popularity with a coin could be huge as well. So anyways, I took that as a sign, and I was like, you know what? This came across my desk at the right moment, because I haven't chose to watch Dragon Ball Z maybe in like 4 or 5 months. It's not something that's just watching. I'm watching every single day. But honestly, every time I see an episode or a fight series or something, it makes me want to go and watch the entire thing, honestly. So I haven't watched it maybe in like 4 or 5 months. So to pick it on this day, for this to come up on this day, exactly when I decide to watch something related to Dragon Ball Z, it's honestly mind blowing. So I was like, this is a sign. Anyways, let's look at the chart really quick and see where it stands. Right now, it is up 38% on the day. In the last 24 hours, it's up quite a bit. We're seeing it with $3.8 million worth of volume, and also seeing $8.2 million market cap on the play itself. Volume to market cap ratio 46%. Now 100% of the supply is out there, so you are seeing 888 billion coins that is out there. And if we look at the markets that's available on, it really only has Uniswap. You are seeing 3.4 that goes through IndoX, but that's another exchange, so that's good to see that first exchange there. And it is available in Jupiter. Is it Ethereum coin as well? So this has a little bit of popularity, and hopefully it continues to gather more exchanges, gather more popularity, and be the Dragon Ball Z coin that we all know that should be here. The staples of what we should see in the crypto world should definitely we should have Pokemon, and we should have Dragon Ball Z in a large way, whether they're tribute fan coins or not completely Dragon Ball Z or not completely Pokemon. But this is Dragon Ball Z tribute. We can have a Pokemon tribute as well. But the point is that these are like staples of what we should have within this space, and being a part of, especially when it comes to an NFT space. So I'm really, really excited about those NFTs. I want to see those and see what they're worth, because I really do want one, but I don't want to spend a crazy amount of money. But again, I look at it as like a original Jackson Pollock, right? Painting where we can see, and maybe that's like super expensive compared to regular art, but it's definitely something that I really enjoy the artwork of. So good job on that. If you wanted to check out their Twitter, they currently have 351 followers on Twitter. So still in the beginning stages of growing quite a bit. And if you wanted to look at their token sniffer as well, they have an 80 out of 100 score and nothing major at all. It was just, kind of inadequate liquidity, initial liquidity, but current liquidity is great. then 95, at least 95% of liquidity burned or locked. For 15 days, you have 100%. Creator wallet contains less than 5%. So you have all of this that's showing you nothing but positive, right? So it's a good thing as I see the opportunity that's within here. But make sure you guys go and check this out for yourself. Give yourself an understanding and do your own research within it so that you can make that decision on whether you believe it's a good play or not. But make sure you also hit that like button and hit the subscribe button for more of these videos. And if you want to check out my link for Margex, that should be down there as well. But I'm going to get out of here, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And let me know what you think about this project as well as the NFTs down below. If you're a fan of Dragon Ball Z, even if you're not, let me know your opinion of the position. If you feel like it doesn't have that popularity because you don't watch the show, then that's totally understandable. But there are so many people that watch it, and it's about investments. It's about being able to make a ton. And it's already up, 36% they said today. So hit that like button, hit that subscribe button, and I'll catch you guys in the next video. See ya.